I should have told Billy to come with me and just leave Kelly out there in the car. Oh well, what's done is done. Well, safe to say that Cora came through here. What the? Well, at least somebody left something behind useful, or were they trying to use this? You know what? This is a good idea. Let me go ahead and just start this right now before I go any further. This is former FBI Agent Zach Patterson. To the person who finds this recorder, know this before you enter. This is a secret facility being organized by OGA, and they have let something loose get out down here. So before you infiltrate and investigate, make sure you have plenty of people with you and plenty of backup. Be aware, the creature that's loose down here, it likes the smell of blood, and it will drain your body of all its bodily fluids if it gets a hold of you. This is Zach Patterson infiltrating and signing off. And if you find this recorder, remember, bring backup. Okay, not my best line, but then again, I'm scared shitless. Just had to be the stupid one to come back here. Well, it's safe to say that she's in here. Okay, let's go. And it looks like I'm not the only one who's survived down here. Who's been what? Okay. Fuck. Where is... Oh great, at least they got the maps on the wall so I know where I'm at. Okay. We came out from here, and now I'm going back to the same area. I need to head down here. I gotta find some evidence to let people know what else is going on. Okay, let's see. Nothing down this way, nothing down that way. Okay, I can do this. You're okay. Calm down, Zach Patterson. You're okay. Okay. Some people talking. 1, 2, 3. Hold it. Don't even move. Out. Shit. Don't worry, guys. My hands are free, and oh shit. Guys, you may want to look up. No, really, I'm not joking. Yeah, I did deserve that hit, but look up at the ceiling. I'm telling you, look up at the ceiling. Shit! Where's my gun? Look, guys, I don't have nothing against you. I'm just here for one person, and I may have a chance to save that person, but I can't save her if you're going to try to attack me. Do you want to live? Because if you want to live, I'm going to make this real easy for you. You see this path right here? Take this path and go out this way. Your partner just got sucked through the damn ceiling, and we see a bunch of green stuff here, so look, Do you want to live? I'm offering you a chance to go out that door. See that door over there? Go out that, go up, go through this hallway, go out that door. That's your only way you're getting out of here. Why am I going down here? My friend is down here, and I'm trying to save her. Now, if you want to live, take the doorway right now. And I'm not finna beg you to stay down here with me. Okay, they're gone. At least somebody's smart. Unlike my dumbass, I'm down here trying to save someone who's moving around through the sewers, through the walls, through everything else, and eating people. And who look like they ate a bunch of people, too. Jesus Christ. Yeah, just like I figured. She sucked the blood from their entire body. Well, no time to mourn, time to keep moving. Perfect. At least these stairs are here, so time to take them down to level 2. Okay, here we are, level 2. Is that someone's alive? Hey, look at me. Are you okay? Can you tell me what happened here?
There's no time. You gotta get out.
What are you talking about? What do you mean there's no time? Can you tell me what happened? Jesus! She's killing him. Damn it! Okay. Let's keep moving. What do we have here? Small little flares. You know what? That's a good idea. Let me pop one of these right now and leave them right here. At least I know this is the way back. Who's that groaning? Time to check it out. Okay, where is she? Where is she? Okay, let's keep moving. Okay. Sounds like the noise is coming from in here. What the Dr. Owens? What the Oh. Well, I don't know what you're doing down here, Dr. Owens, but it looks like you're on the wrong team. Wait, what is it? What happened? Yeah, I can see she attacked you. You're missing an arm and you're missing a leg. What is this you're giving me? An antidote? An antidote for what? Wait, come, stay with me. Dr. Owens, stay with me. What do you mean this is an antidote? Hey, hang in there. Shit, he died. Shit, this isn't good. Let's keep moving. Time to keep it moving. Shit. What the hell did he give me? Vaccine 94980. What the hell kind of vaccine is this? You know what? I'm not gonna question him. He gave it to me, so I hope to God it keeps me alive. Shit. Okay. There she is. What is she doing? Okay, she's dragging that man somewhere. Oh shit! Please don't let her see me. 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 Okay, she moved on. What the hell was she doing in there? Okay, she's gone. She went down another level. What the fuck was in here? Ew. Well, that explains what's in here. This is where they kept her. And then we blew up the generators and everything else they had, and she got loose. And it looks like she drug a handful of them downstairs. Man. It's alright. I just gotta keep moving. Matter of fact, since I'm in here now, I may as well go ahead and see what their computers tell me. What kind of shit is this? That's not her. This is dated. This video is dated 6 months ago. So they were experimenting on people with this stuff 6 months ago going into now. Okay. Now I don't feel sorry for them at all. They were already doing this before James Terrell was killed. Okay. What's this say? OGA classification level 7. What a corny way to classify something. Day 1, test subject 1, failure. Green slime dissolved. Bones, flesh, and everything. Yeah, I feel that much. You know what? Gonna hang on to this too. And even better, just what I need. A backpack. Time to throw all this stuff in here and make sure it comes with me. Could leave right now if I wanted to and wait for backup. To hell with it. I'm just gonna keep going. Looks like she went downstairs to the 3rd level. Okay. Here we go. Oh. Looks like whatever they had down here didn't last long. Okay. It's alright. Just gonna keep moving. Shit. Where is she? I can hear hear her. Where the fuck is she? Ew. Shit, how much of her stuff is she leaving everywhere? Cora? Is that you behind me? Cora? Look. I need you to trust me right now. I'm not gonna harm you. I'm not gonna shoot you. I'm just gonna turn around and holy shit. Cora, it's me. You don't need to kill me, but I need you to just trust me, right? Yeah, I have something for you to take. Shit. Jesus, she's a little bit bigger than before, Cora. Cora, it's okay. Look, you see this? Look, yes, look at this. You see this? This is something I need you to take. Just, I guess we'll call it candy. Just take it. Cora, you can trust me. You can trust me. Fuck this. Okay. It's alright. It's alright. Jesus Christ, your mouth got just bigger. Look, I don't know what you've been eating or how many of them you ate, but just don't eat me, okay? We can talk this out. Okay, we can talk this out. As soon as I go way over here,